Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Friday Night Gab, and I am not live tonight. I was live last Friday. I think my light is on too bright here. There, it might be better. Camille is right here, of course. Maybe I can get her to look up at you. Camille, Camille. There she is. Well, she's put her head up. She's just adorable, except she's rotten. You know, she really still is. She's never grown out of the rotten. So she just, she's just not a loving cat. She can be, but not, not like most cats that I've met in my life. Anyway, how are y'all? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna put my water over there. It is Friday Night Gab. I do this on Friday nights, most every Friday night, and just to catch up with things from the week and maybe things that are coming up, that type of thing. So I am going to tell you what I'm wearing. I have on the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions. This one is probably my least favorite of the Obsessions palettes that I have, only because I'm not really into reds, although I do have, I use it, but you can see I mostly just use the shimmers. I don't really use the mattes very much. They're just, now this matte I would use, but these orange one, well, yeah, I don't really think I obviously don't use these very much, but that one in the middle I would use. So just, red, I don't know. Red became very famous on eyes, and it's just not my thing. So, but mixed with the purple, and this is one of my favorites here. It's black, except that it looks like purple on the camera. And then I used these three. I think I used that too. So these 4 shimmers is what I used. That's what I usually use. So, and then on my lips, I have Rare Beauty. And this is called Support. Dewy lip something or other. I don't know. But it's pretty. Whoops, I opened it upside down. It's pretty. It's pretty, and it feels good. It's nice and creamy. So it's not drying at all, which is, what I prefer. So what I have to tell you this week, I don't have all that much to say. I was live last week. We had a lot of fun. If y'all have never been to a live, you should check it out sometime. I do them once a month, sometimes twice a month, but how it works is when you come into the live, if you have to look, because below a video, like if you're on your phone and you're going to comment, the comments go below the video, and you have to take your finger and just move that section a little bit to your left. There's 2 dots there, and then you'll be in the live comments. So then you'll see what everybody's saying. I'll be talking, but you won't hear anybody else. So I speak. I hardly ever type because I'm too busy to type, and people talk, and I might say, so-and-so says blah, 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 whatever. But we just have a lot of fun. We just have a good time. It's different every time. We laugh. We have a good time. We chat about things. If there's a need, for prayer or something, if somebody says, I'm not feeling well, and we all, let them know, we'll keep them in our prayers and things like that. So it's just a lot of fun. So this week, a lot of things. Did you get it? Do you get Allure? If you get Allure, there's a choice to make for June, and I didn't get the email, so I just so happened, like at lunchtime at work, I looked at Instagram, and there it was saying you had to make a choice for June. And I look back at my emails, and I'm like, I don't have the email, because that takes you directly to it. Well, I didn't get the email. I got the email later that day, like 4 hours later. So, and if that's the case, they may be sold out of what you want. So that was a little, I don't know what happened, because I usually get them early, I thought. Anyway, so I did share it on Instagram. I shared it on my community tab, in case you didn't get the email either. It was a choice of 4 Christophe Robin products. Christophe Robin is hair care, and wonderful hair care. and we've had a lot of his products in our boxes in the past. And there was something for curly hair. I don't remember now. I thought I would remember. There was something for that you spray on before you use heat on your hair. I have a bunch of things. I would get that, but I have a bunch of things, so I didn't get that. There was, I don't remember what the fourth product was. The product that I got was to give you volume. It was a conditioner for volume. So a lot of times conditioner weighs your hair down. So, you know, I'd like to try that. So that's what I chose. And the fourth product was for color treated hair. So really nice products, you know, they're valuable too. So one thing that I really want to tell y'all, in case it's not just happening to me. I've talked to another creator that it's happening to, and so it may be happening to other creators and they're not even sure about it, or they don't even know about it. But y'all, when we do a video and post it, you know, you upload it to YouTube, you can add information below. If you click on the title, it'll take you to the description. It's called the description of the video. And I put a lot of information in there. I put all my links and things like that. I tell you some things like about the video, like tonight I'll put my hashtag Friday Night Gab, that kind of thing. Hashtags are in there. If I mention other channel names, I'll put them in there. If I have a product that I'm showing you, I show the website, you know, or the link to Temu or Amazon or something like that. So there's a lot of information in most of our description boxes. And I put the information in there before I have the video go live. And the descriptions have been disappearing this week. I won't say this week. It's been just maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it's very frustrating. And I look at it before I make it public, and it's in there, or it isn't. Sometimes before I actually make it public, it disappears. But it's been happening where after I make it public, it disappears. So when I correct it and I put it back in, then it's been holding. I haven't had it happen once it's live again so far, but I can't go back to all my videos and see where are my descriptions. And it's frustrating. Say for like example, if I'm in a collab with, you know, with a bunch of channels and I've listed everybody's channels and that's all gone, then y'all can't find them or whatever. So if you see that my description is missing and you're looking for some information, just ask me. In the meantime, I'm trying to look back over the last, you know, few days. Like I said, I can't go back over, you know, over 3 years. I can't do it, or whatever it's been. I don't even know how long I've been out, but anyway, it's been a long time. So anyway, just want to tell you that. So if you are on a channel, if you're watching somebody else's video and you see that their description box is empty, now some people don't put any information in their description box, and that's okay. But if you see that they normally would put stuff in there, or if they say, I'll have the link below, and it's not in a pinned comment, then let them know, because they may not know that it's disappeared. Because I haven't heard, only a couple people talk about it. It happened to me, so I just thought it was, oh, you know, first you think, did I do that? And I think, no, I didn't, and maybe I didn't do it. I thought I did it and I didn't do it. Blue. And, but then when it happened the second time, and then the third time, and it's happened to me like 8 times now, 8 different videos, so I'm not real happy about that. But hopefully whatever the glitch is, YouTube will be able to fix it soon, hopefully. So I wanted to tell you about that. And y'all, if you are interested in Read Your Heart, I showed some gorgeous jewelry this week from them, and I'll put that video below. So if it's not there, you know I did it. But anyway, it just was a day or 2 or 3 ago, so you can go look for it. But they gave me a code for 15% off, and it's Mary15. Very simple. You go to their website, you use that on your way out, you know, to checkouts, and it's even works on sale products, which is what I understood them to say. They didn't say it outright, but the way that they worded it, I'm like, I think this works for everything. And then a few people have used it and said, hey, Mary, it worked on the sale items. So I'm super excited about that because they usually always have a sale of some sort going on. And that tennis bracelet that was $29.95, that was the sale price. Wow, you can save a couple more dollars. So go for it, y'all. So anyway, okay. And I got, I meant to have it right here. Now, of course, I don't. I thought it was nearby, but with cats all over the place, I got some Murad. I'll show it again on a Mask Monday. Not sure if it'll be this Monday or the next Monday, but soon. I bought a box of Murad eye masks from my Fab Fit Fun. They were in my add-on video, Fab Fit Fun add-on video I did this week. I'll put that below as well. And it was, all they sent me was one pair instead of the box. The picture shows the box. The picture shows the box with one pair next to it. And it was $6. And that's like a $50 value or something. So of course I bought it. And you could only get one, you know, so, but they sent me one. I mean, you can only buy one. In Fab Fit Fun, you can often buy 3 of what you want, except they do have limits on some items. So they had a limit on that. So I think they did anyway. So I only got one eye mask instead of a box. So they gave me a $10 credit to shop. And then they also gave me a refund of $6 in my tax. So I wanted to tell you all about that because I told you I'd let you know what happened with that. And then also, that might be really not much else going on, I guess. Oh, yes, something really, really big going on this weekend. On Sunday, Miss Jackie Russell, so I said Miss Jackie Russell, she'll be below. I'm sure you know her, but if you don't know her, she'll be below. She has the Dollar Tree. She has been doing the Dollar Tree train for a good while now. I'd say a couple of years, maybe 3 years, I don't know, but she's been doing it a while. And it's so much fun. I've been in the last few, I've been having a blast because the people, you know, the channels all get together to talk about, you know, when we're gonna post and all this kind of stuff, what it should be about, what we should do, that kind of thing. So that is coming out on Sunday, which is May 19th. And that's it. Of course, we all will be doing giveaways, and we all will, it will last for 2 weeks. So this one's a really big train. As Miss Jackie put it, the train is full. There are 14 channels. Now you are already subscribed to most of those channels, and you may be subscribed to the other channels. A channel or two, I think. I was subscribed to all of the channels, but one I just recently met, I think she was in another collab recently. That's how I met her. And so, but you'll probably know all the channels. So you do have to be subscribed to all 14 channels and publicly subscribed, and then comment on all 14 channels. So you might as well enter all 14 giveaways, and you can only win one. But I did want to tell you about that because I know sometimes I've had a few subscribers say they just can't watch that many. Okay, you've got 2 weeks, but if you can't do it, understandable. You know, no, you won't get any flack from me about it. If you can, great. If you can't, don't worry, because all of these channels, we do giveaways often. You know me, I do giveaways all the time. Miss Jackie Russell, who runs the Dollar Tree train, she does giveaways all the time, as do many of the other channels in the collab. So don't worry if you can't get involved in this one. You can get involved in others. So speaking of, my treasure trove giveaway is ending. I don't remember if I said I was going to end it today at noon. Sometimes I do that, but I haven't ended it yet. So if you're watching this, I probably won't end it till tomorrow afternoon sometime by the time I actually do it. So if you get in and your comment is in there, you can be entered. So, so what's going on, Blue? Blue's like, what's going on? You want to go see? You want to go see what the kids are doing? There you go. He's going to go. He's not going to run, but he's going to go. All right. Okay, well, go on. Anyway, y'all. So my treasure trove giveaway will begin again this weekend. Not sure which day I'm going to post it. And then also I have my 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So look for that. And then this Dollar Tree train, and you know, I have giveaways. I have a lot of giveaways going on, so look for them. Okay, y'all? And thank you for stopping by. Blue, 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 blue. Let me say goodbye. Thank you all for stopping by. I'm not sure what's going on with Camille, and if Smudge is involved, I'm not sure. But y'all take care. Have a wonderful weekend. Count your blessings and stay safe, y'all. Bye-bye.